Hey everyone, Scott Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams, coming to you on a very cold, we're heading into a very cold weekend. Friday, colorful Friday. Obviously, I got my special Sherwin-Williams color fan here. Wanted to share with you some of the insights that we get from the National Association of Realtors and also the Builders Association, what colors are happening as far as trends. So obviously, if it's a cold weekend, you're quarantining, you're in your house, a lot of people are tackling some of those painting projects and freshening up their houses. And we want to just share some insights with you on some of the color trends that are smart decisions right now. Don't want to have you have to repaint rooms and stuff when time's right for you to sell. So a couple of things that we're looking at is, where do you want to be with the color palette within your home? The suggestion that we would offer is you want to be neutral. You don't want to have those really bold colors painted because when you do go to sell your home, you want to have it more neutral. So we're looking at some of the warm neutrals. And there's obviously a huge spectrum of colors and grays, beiges, whites. That's a difficult decision. A big thing with that is the type of light bulbs you have in your house. It's kind of overlooked, but if you've got bright white LEDs versus maybe some of the more kind of modern Edison type bulbs that are kind of on trend right now, you're going to have a different color spectrum that gets cast within your home. So certainly test it out on a large swath, 3 feet by 4 feet. Look at it different times of the day to make sure that color is what it looks like. Personal experience, we were repainting our house and different walls within our kitchen living room area, and I would look at one paint sample at the store and I think, we nailed it. Come and paint it as a sample, and it looks blue or it looks purple or it looks kind of with a reddish tone underlying it. And to me, they all look gray. So that's just from personal experience. Make sure that you test them out. With that also, people will say, well, we want to have some color because we want to freshen up our houses. We want to have some more happiness within our house. So we would encourage you to paint neutral and decorate with some colorful accents. So whether it be artwork, pillows, photos, freshen it up that way. And that way you can change it out, depending on the season. You can bring in more color with that instead of having to repaint a room. So that is some colorful insight for you on a colorful frigid Friday, I guess. Wishing you all the best. And if you need any insights on what some of those colors are that we are recommending to our sellers, certainly give us a call and we can get you the paint fan and give you some of the suggestions. All the best. Take care, and we'll see you next week.